Hi friends, this is Smita, a personal empowerment life coach and an executive coach. And today we are going to talk about the 9 money principles I would tell my 20-year-old self. I got my first decent paying job when I was 20. It was a summer internship after my first year of MBA. I can't remember exactly how much I made, but it was a decent sum when I worked 5 days a week. Living in a city different from my home place, I did have some expenses on rental and food, but that still left me with enough money I could spend or save. And like most people that age, I obviously did the former. I didn't know any better, but over the years, I have learned a lot about money from simply observing wealthy people. If I could go back and teach myself some financial lessons, I would have changed my financial mindset way earlier. Don't make the same mistake that I did. Here's what I would now advise my 20-year-old self. Number one, start investing today. Look, you don't need a degree in finance, be a family member of Warren Buffett, or a 7-figure inheritance from your grandparents to start investing. It's not complicated. Just start by investing in an index fund and profit from the direction of the stock market. Let the companies do the work and own a piece of the action. Number two, money buys you freedom. Think twice before you spend your money because every time you buy something, you are giving up a bit of freedom and time. The more money you have, the more freedom you have to do work you enjoy. And at some point, you don't even have to work for money at all. But not if you keep spending all your money today. Number three, the more you learn, the more you earn. This isn't about getting degrees because that does not always translate to earning more. Learn about worldly things like history, economics, maths, philosophy, etc. Then learn how you can apply that wisdom to create value for other people. The more you do that, the more you will earn. Number four, be generous. Don't hold on to all your money like a dog with a bone. If you share some of your wealth with others without expecting anything in return, you will do good. But you also learn not to cling to money. Number five, money is a renewable resource. We all lose money at some point on a dumb purchase, get rich quick scheme, dishonest business partner, or stupid investment decision. I have also lost money at a point in time. But don't allow a loss to destroy your trust in other people and the world. You can earn back the money, but if you lose your character and soul, you can never truly come back. Number six, trust your financial habits. It takes a long time to build wealth, but that does not mean your life is meaningless if you're not financially independent yet. Don't wait for a day in the future when you will finally be rich. Just adopt healthy financial habits, take care of your money, and trust the process. Results follow later, and keep enjoying your life today. Number seven, save more as you earn more. If you saved rupees 1000 a month in college, it does not mean you should keep saving the same amount as you earn more in your 20s, 30s, 40s, and so forth. Just save as much as you can and then invest as much as you can. Number eight, having 6 months worth of expenses saved is enough. When you have a financial buffer, you feel more at ease. If you lose your job, you will have enough time to find another. Or when your refrigerator breaks, you can easily buy a new one. No stress. Number nine, don't obsess about your retirement. Your top earning years are probably in your 40s and 50s. So if you're not in your prime career years yet, don't beat yourself up. If you do the work now and keep improving yourself, more money will follow later. All the other money principles that I would now advise my younger self might sound obvious, but it's not obvious or simple to live by what you know. What matters is that you execute these things, even if it's just one or two things. Every little bit helps. In fact, it's those small things that will make you wealthier in the decades to come. If you like the content, please subscribe and share the video. That's all for today. I will see you next time. Until then, bye-bye.